I think you will allow me, because I've been preparing something on the paper. So therefore, dear members of the Uganda Football Association, dear friends of the press, dear all, first of all, I want to thank the President of the Uganda Football Federation for having confidence in me to be choosing among more than 150 candidates. You can imagine that this is a huge motivation to be here in Uganda to be the head coach of the Cranes. Dear Mr. President, I can assure you, you will never regret this decision. Everything I will do will be based on my experience in Africa and in other countries in Europe and also in clubs where I have been working. We need and want order and discipline. I am a very ambitious person, and when I sign for a country, it's to obtain results.
We believe in our choice of the coach, and as the Federation, we want to guarantee that we will give the coach maximum support that he needs. He's a coach who has a profile that has convinced us that the senior national team will be in good hands. He's a coach who has an African experience, having coached in a number of countries, including Burkina Faso, Guinea, Congo, Brazzaville, and his highest performance on the African continent being the finals, the coach of the final team, the coach of the runners-up in the 2013 Africa Cup of Nations that was won by Nigeria against Burkina Faso in South Africa. We believe that in the next few days this will be also ironed out, and we also believe that in the next few days the squad, of course depending on the advice that will be given from the people who have been managing the team, but also the information he has been following, because what convinced us to give him the job is that he has been following Ugandan football and Ugandan players one by one, and he has a detail, so he's not going to start from nowhere.
Mr. Paul.
Turn.
Turn the jersey.
Turn.
Yep. Thank you.
Good?
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Paul.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. Button.
Yep.
Button. One.
Okay. Change.
Great.
Handshake.
Thank you very much.
Aye, Bishop. Aye. Thank you, my lord.